welcome. Today we are looking at the Enya 25D model. This is the most affordable mahogany ukulele that I have found that sells on Amazon, that comes with a gig bag and accessories like a tuner and strap and more things. So this is one of those ukuleles that I really do recommend, and when it goes on sale, I say just hurry up and buy it, because if you are looking for a ukulele that's affordable, that's Enya, or if you're looking to buy someone their first ukulele gift, this is the perfect ukulele for that. By the way, if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Bernadette and I'm an elementary music teacher turned YouTuber. So on this channel I just teach people how to play ukulele, and then whenever I can find really nice ukuleles to recommend to you, I make videos about it like this one. Okay, so this comes in the Enya gig bag. I've raved about this gig bag before because I think it's not only classy but nicely padded, and it does come only with one strap. Of course I prefer two straps, but the nice thing is that you can switch the side that the strap is on, so I'll forgive them for that. And you also have one of these handles, so if you want to hang it somewhere, you have that there. So the other thing I like about Enya gig bags is that the front pocket is popped out a little bit, so it does allow you to fit a little bit more in there. And so what I did is I put the accessories in here. So this comes with a finger shaker, so as you're strumming, you get a little rattle. It comes with a clip-on tuner. I love clip-on tuners. They're more effective than a tuner on your phone because this is clipped onto your ukulele and it works off of vibration. And then you can use it for different instruments. It has C for chromatic, but you can use it on a guitar, a bass, violin, and a cello, or anything like that. And you can just switch by one button tapping on the setting. This ukulele also comes with extra strings. Usually the ones that pop are G or A, the really thin ones, but it's nice to have a full set of extra strings. This is a capo. It allows you to change the sound of your ukulele all at once. And you also get some nice picks. There's 2 picks in here and they're different widths. And then this ukulele comes in several colors, but the one I'm going to show you today is the natural wood mahogany. And I have the cleaning cloth in there with the ukulele because I want to remind myself to wipe the ukulele down every time I use it. And then it also comes with this strap that I had already put on it because I was playing it earlier on an Instagram live. Sorry about that. I don't know what the neighbors are doing. Okay, so I'm going to tune real quick and then I'll show you what the ukulele sounds like. Okay, so now let's talk about the specifications of the ukulele. I'm looking on Amazon. It says only one left in stock, so I think it's been a pretty popular order. And I'm sure they're restocking because they just sent it to me now, so that definitely means they're restocking. This ukulele has a solid mahogany top as well as mahogany back and sides. This ukulele comes with a polymer carbon fiber Enya strings. This also has a new bone saddle and nut. There's a little zebra pattern design around the sound hole, and this has an ebony fingerboard. The ukulele comes with a strap, a tuner, the battery for the tuner, a rhythm shaker, the strings, and the gig bag. If you have a ukulele that doesn't play so well and you want to upgrade to one that is really affordable, this is a great option. Or if you're going to give someone a ukulele and you want to give them a really nice, wonderful instrument that will stay with them as they develop, this one will be a good one, then this is definitely a great purchase. If you have this instrument, comment down below, and if you have any questions about the instrument, also let us know down below. I will get to them. Somebody who has the ukulele will answer the questions, or the brand will answer the questions, so we'll try to get to your questions as soon as we can. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to learn how to play ukulele, then just subscribe to the channel and go to the main channel page. And then I've organized the ukulele challenges for you so that you can find something that is good for your level. All of my videos also include a printable resource that's free. If you would like to support on Patreon, of course, I really like love the support that I get for the channel, but if you can't afford it, I don't care. I want you to be able to like use the resources so they're available for everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Sayonara!